I just made $1,000 and showed everybody how to do it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it as well in this very simple video. I post the sauce every single day how to trade simply like me. Not only do I go live, but I also even do a live breakdown of the trades right after. So that's what we're gonna get into today. Somebody even commented on the post saying, show me please, and guess what I said? Absolutely. And I showed him exactly how to do it and exactly what I looked for and exactly the entry model, how there were plenty of other areas to enter as well. If you missed the first setup, if you missed the first entry, there was a second entry, there was a third entry, there was a fourth, and there was a fifth entry to enter on this very simple strategy. My name is Prodigy Trades. I've been trading for 5 years and actually been futures trading for over about like a year and a half, probably 2 almost. And it's been going great. We just made $1,000 on Top Step X. Every single trade that I have been trading, guys, have been the same model. That's the thing. A lot of people, when they trade and they take a single loss, you know what they do? They say the strategy doesn't work. So they step away and try to learn a new strategy. And then guess what happens? They're going to lose again on that next strategy. And it's going to say the same thing. Oh, it doesn't work. Guys, you're going to take a loss. The way I see trading is like flipping a quarter. It's either going to land on heads or tails. Market's either going to go up or down. You're either going to win or lose. That's how simple it is. And some people want to hit me with the, yeah, but it chops, it consolidates. Bro, why are you even entering in on the consolidation? That's why you're a loser and that's why you're losing. Not me. I don't enter on consolidations. I enter when the candlestick is giving me a confirmation for a breakout. And that's exactly what I took today. So let's break it down and show you guys why you guys got to stop losing and how you got to use candlesticks in your favor to understand the entries, because people don't understand that it's up to candlesticks to tell us where to enter. The candlesticks tell you the story. See, people learn a very simple strategy or a simple concept of something and never read candlesticks. They allow a whole 30, 40 candlesticks to print on their chart and they don't even care about none of that action. That's price action. That is raw data to read. That's what I use, and that's how I trade it. So let's break it down and show you guys exactly what I mean. And here is the post of that person saying here, show me please, off of what I posted here. And let's actually very simply break it down, guys, because I break it down on why I entered. This is a very solid photo for me to use to show you guys exactly the breakdown of my entry. Very simply watching price action on the 5-minute time frame. A lot of people like lower time frames. You can do that too, it doesn't matter. But you can see the price action is coming to this general area of support. It's bouncing, it's bouncing. So what does that mean? That means price tends to bounce at this level. Doesn't mean really much, except you can see that the price bounce, right? That's it. That's all I see. Anywhere above this previous area of highs is essentially a breakout. I mean, you could even do the same concept from the downside to the upside. Every single time we hit this general area, it tends to reject, right? So that's what I mean. Why are you entering trades in this nonsense? I don't do that. Look at my entry. I entered when price came to bounce back one more time here, but even again, I didn't enter. I waited. Breakout. I'm in. And guess what, guys? This trade not only had a solid entry here, but also it pulled back. Hammer candle here, indicating that buyers are stepping in. It's a reversal. Here is a very simple photo of how to read candlesticks. And this is not even in depth. This is just a very simple snapshot of a graph of how to read candlesticks, but you need to understand more. Nice bounce, pulls all the way back again, bounces one more time. Guys, look at this. Now this is a support level now. This is how I simply use trading. Because as you can see, this was a support. Now this is acting like a support after the breakout. Bounces, bounces, comes all the way back, bounces, and this is where I sold. That's it, guys. Somebody asked me, show me how, please. I'm showing you guys how, and I show you guys every single day how, and as well as if you literally join the premium access Discord, you get access to the 0 to hero, learn how to read and spot reversals using candlesticks. After you learn how to read candlesticks, then you have to learn how to chart down possible breakout levels or support levels. That's how you then go to chapter 2, finding levels using Fibonacci retracements, very simple support zones. It doesn't matter. But I'll also show you guys how I even trade and use these levels in my favor to trade as well. Trading Fibonacci levels. This whole video is sauce here. Next, then you learn the higher low concept and what happens if it breaks down below. Last but not least, after you learn how to literally read the charts on the first 3 chapters, then you can start using the break and retest model and understanding how to identify and even enter trades using this very simple model. Last but not least, depending on how well you capture trades, then you have to understand risk to reward, which is the last chapter. It's just a 5-chapter series. That is it. That is how simple you can get into trading. So when people tell me, show me how, this is how. I created a whole library for you on how to understand how to trade. That is how, guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's keep running it up, and let's have a great day.